Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are going to have a talk with English speaking guide, Pak Mursalim. Pak Salim, we are going to have a talk on your profession as an English speaking guide. And the first, Pak Salim, I would like you to introduce yourself to the viewers, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Nur Samsu. Well, my name is Mursalim, but friend of mine, they just call me Salim. And I'm an English speaking tour guide based in Sulawesi,
South Sulawesi, especially.
especially South Sulawesi.
How long have you been a guide?
Well, actually, being as a guide, I started to get my license. I got in
Oh, quite a long time ago.
1989. Yes, and then after that, the first started to be a tour guide, not here in Sulawesi,
I see.
but in Borneo.
In Borneo.
So that is my first
No.
experience to
Borneo,
be a tour guide in
Kalimantan.
Borneo, Kalimantan.
Yeah. What are the most interesting thing being a guide? Can you tell
Well,
to the viewers?
yeah, being a guide overall, a lot of things. Yeah, the first one, by guiding, I can sharing my knowledge. Yeah, sharing my knowledge. I can promote my regions, my area, and also especially to get something from the guest. That is, everything is new. I always getting a new experience from my clients. Yeah.
Well, of course, every work must have a problem, yeah, and sometimes you have a problem.
Oh yeah, of course.
How do you handle the problem whenever you have trouble with your vehicles?
Okay. Sorry. Well, of course, handling the problem about that, we have to do in very very calm, not by permanent. Sorry, high temperament. Because if you do like that, finish. So you have to do very very
Yes.
make it, how to say that, make it approach to your clients,
Yeah.
and then make sure that your driver will be able to handle.
Handle the problem. Maybe you have ever had an experience, a complaint of your guest on accommodation. How do you face the problem?
Well, as long as if
Mm-mm.
I can handle that one,
Mm-mm.
of course, I just discuss
Mm.
mostly with my clients.
Yeah.
I have to ask what is the problem.
Yeah.
For instance, about because in the hotels, not only the way of the people at the hotel welcoming the guests, but maybe about the bathroom
Yeah.
or the restaurant. So if happen like that, of course, I have to ask to the duty manager at the hotel, and then we discuss about that. Yeah. So to handle that one, I have to make decisions
I see.
because in the field I'm in charge as the manager
Yeah.
of the travel agents.
Yeah. So it's interesting. Uh, could you tell the audience what steps should someone take in order to become a professional guide?
Well, to be a professional guide, of course, the first one, they have about language. That is the most important thing.
Yeah.
By the language, they can increase their knowledge. Yeah. So the first one, ability to speak foreign
foreign
language. That is the first one. Yeah. And today, not only English, but
Yeah.
some other foreign language. So the first one, that is must be the language.
Yeah.
And then after that, knowledge.
Knowledge. Yeah.
And then by having the knowledge, and then the character. Yeah, because that is, even though you have knowledge,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
if you are not a good character,
Yeah.
if your character is not good,
Mm-mm.
nothing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
though you have you are really excellent,
Yeah,
but the character.
character. Yeah.
So the first one, I think that is the
So it's in line with our Prophet Muhammad message, akhlakul karimah, yeah.
Yeah.
How to be, how to behave well to
yeah
anybody, especially to our guests.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is why I always say that
Yeah. Mm-mm.
that is the how to call
Mm.
the local the local people say that, especially the parents, they said, especially the
Yeah.
people of Bugis and Makassar,
Yeah. Yeah.
use the three tips,
Yeah. Street tips. Yeah.
three tips,
Yeah.
the tips of tongue
Tang. Yeah.
and the tips of
Yeah.
for the men, the
For the men.
penis,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and the tips of the
Body.
badik, and then I say that
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you use this one,
Mm.
the first one, if you do already good one, this one,
Yeah.
the two others,
No other use.
no other use at all. But if you use your tongues very well, to the
Yeah.
people,
Yeah.
that is
Mashallah.
characteristic.
Mm. Oh.
So you don't need to use the other
The
one.
other one.
The other one.
Just the first one
Just
is
the
the
first
tongue.
one. If you use the tongues very well, politely,
Yeah. 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 Mm.
that is I use. When I welcome my guests,
Yeah. Yeah. Mm.
I do like that.
Oh, yeah. Alhamdulillah.
Welcoming them by happiness and then talking very polite to them.
Well, maybe, Pak Salim, maybe you have message to the members of Al Khair community. Maybe some of the members, they plan or they have an idea to be a
be a
guide.
tour
Maybe
Okay,
send a message to them.
Okay, dear friends, if you want to be a tour guide,
Mm-mm.
the first one you have to learn about language. That is the first one. And then after that, you have to master about the knowledge. Yeah. In order you can share, you can sharing your knowledge, you can talk to your clients. So the first one, that is language, and the second one, that is the knowledge. Yeah. But the short one, but it is the basic one actually, because
Yeah.
it is the character.
Yeah, yeah.
I always say this, the short one, but that is the first one,
most
because you know
important
about
one.
that one, you know already language, you know the knowledge, but if you are not good in character, nothing.
So the behavior, how to
The behavior,
behave well to the guest.
That is I do that one.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
That is why, as long my experience, I have been doing my professions more than, I think more than almost 30 years.
30 years already, yeah.
Sometimes I got complained, but
Yeah.
not really a big deal.
So you can
Yeah.
handle it. You can handle it
I can
patiently.
do this, I can help
Alhamdulillah.
by heart. Like
But-
that.
Thank you very much,
Okay.
Pak Salim, for your
Okay, thank you very much.
having talk with us, dear members, especially Al Khair community. I think it will be benefit for you to think about what Mr. Salim has said just now. Wa barakallahu fikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.